So here we are in southern Bloomington, Indiana on December 22nd, 2022. A big snowstorm was about to impact the city, and residents were just kind of preparing. Temperatures would later drop to negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
You're listening to Rock 96.1, The Quarry.
So here we are checking the mail and about to pull into our driveway.
So it looks like that the first signs of cold air on the radar are starting to hit Bloomington. Like, it's kind of conquered the western. Dude, it's snowing.
That was the exact moment that it started to snow, and that was the exact moment that I noticed it.
That's all snow, everyone. That's all snow.
The events after that occurred after dark with very little visibility due to the dark. A little while later, the snow had mostly stopped, though the temperature had decreased dramatically. The next morning was the first chance I got to be able to look at the snow that had piled up overnight. The storm had already passed after this, but it was still negative 30 degrees. Now that I've gone over what happened, you guys can just watch some more clips that I took.
The sun is out right now, which means that it's a lot brighter. Okay, well, now as I say that, the sun stops coming out. Oh, yeah, yep, story of my life. What?
I got you the medium size of those pants.
Okay.
They're gonna fit bigger like those dark blue ones.
Okay, that's probably a good thing.
Yeah.
'Cause it'll last me. Merry Christmas, everyone. December 25th, and we have this beautiful sunrise.